A real powerhouse to talk about, the brand new Honor Magic 8 Pro. This is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship launches of the year, and trust me, this phone is packed to the brim with features. Let's break it down. First off, at the heart of the Magic 8 Pro is the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite 2nd-gen chipset. This beast is already showing scores around 4 million points in benchmarks, which is mind-blowing. Performance-wise, it's not just fast, it's future-proof. You'll be able to push demanding games, multitasking, and heavy apps without breaking a sweat. For memory, we're looking at 12 to 16 GB of RAM, plus storage options that go all the way up to 1 TB. So, yeah, this isn't just a phone. It's practically a mini computer in your pocket. Now, one of the biggest highlights has to be the massive 8,000 mAh battery. Honor has tested this kind of capacity before, and now they're bringing it to their flagship. The display is another star of the show. A 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness. That means outdoor visibility will be incredible, even under direct sunlight. Cameras? Honor is not holding back here either. The Magic 8 Pro comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and, wait for it, a 200-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. On top of that, the front camera is also a 50-megapixel shooter, perfect for crisp selfies and video calls. Of course, it's not all just raw power and cameras. Honor is also packing in thoughtful extras like stereo speakers, NFC, IP-rated protection against water and dust, and even some enhanced drop resistance. As for price, it's expected to come in at around $700 for the base 12/5 12GB model, which is pretty reasonable given the hardware it's offering. And while it'll first drop in China on September 23rd, Honor is known for keeping their global releases almost identical, so international buyers won't be missing out on specs. So, the Honor Magic 8 Pro looks like it's about to deliver. One of the most complete flagship packages of the year: monster performance, insane battery life, a killer camera system, and premium design. All at a competitive price. What do you think, guys? Is this the flagship you've been waiting for? Or do you think the competition still has the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you found this breakdown helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Until next time, stay powerful, stay connected.